Here, as you can tell, I'm kind of freezing at the point. I don't know if you can really tell. But school was canceled today. Woo! Why was it canceled? Because of this lovely snow coming in. It's amazing. I'm hoping now I can go sit down on the couch and live stream. So anybody up not wanting to deal with Indiana weather can come join me. And Perseus! Come on! Let's go! Let's go play! Wanna go play? Look at my dog. Look at it. He's covered in snow! Covered in snow! My good boy! What, you wanna go back out there? You can't go back out there. You're covered in snow! We're gonna go inside, warm up, and go play some games. You ready? Alright, hopefully I see you guys there.